to know, and I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Hi family, hi friends. Thank you all so much for showing up. Today we are doing this beautiful golden sunset look. If you all want to see how I got this, let's go. Okay, so I have already did my eyebrows, of course, because that takes me forever and they still never turn out to look all that great. I'm gonna use this Milk Makeup Blur Stick. So, can you all see my pores? I know you can. People in Africa can see these jokers. They're huge. That's how big they are. They're like freaking craters. We are using Black Opal, the foundation stick. I love these foundation sticks. Foundation sticks are really, really great for people that have dry skin like myself. It's definitely not full coverage, is it? As I get older, I get pimples, and when I get the pimples, they always leave these dark marks. For my concealer, I'm using like a bunch of stuff that I've had for a while because I really need to get rid of this stuff. This one is 30. And then, which is a lighter color, and then this one, I don't know what color this one is because it's scratched off, but it's a little darker, as you can see. I'm just gonna use this lighter one in here, the darker one everywhere else I want to highlight.
While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, shake it, shake, shake it, shake it. Come over and check up on 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 it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it.
We are using our Sacha Buttercup.
Check up on it. Check up on it. Check up on it.
We're doing some very, very light contouring. Let's just use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation. This is in the color CN 127.
She's around, nothing else matters. Untouchable, she's got her own force field. Sooner or later, someone will get at her. If I don't, someone else will. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Oh, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you, girl, wanna love you. Oh, girl.
Next, we're setting our contour with Black Opal. Again, this is a Black Opal video, 700 deep.
Oh, girl, ooh, girl, I'm so glad I found you. Oh, girl, she's the kind of girl you wanna marry. Scientists say that she's the second sunshine, and now my life is sweeter than berries. I guess if we have sex, our love will turn to wine. When she's around, nothing else matters. Even if the sky was at a stand.
Okay, and for bronzer, I am going to use this Beaute palette. Can y'all see that? It's really... Oh, there we go. Ooh, look at that. You can see a good HBK palette. I'm going to use, obviously, this darkest one. I've never even used this palette, so let's see how it goes. Oh, I wonder if I'm talking really low right now.
I don't know why you automatically whisper. What is up with that?
I don't know.
You're black and you're loud. You're
I
always
have no
loud.
idea.
And your mouth is big.
See, damn, I got it. Jesus. So, I'm gonna put Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. Let's do the cheeks right now. I'm using this E.L.F. Putty blush in color Bali. I had to write it on there because it don't come on the, you know. I'm gonna set the blush with this Milani. What is this one? This is Spiced Rose. It's pretty. For highlighter, I am using M.A.C Gold Deposit. I love this stuff too. Mine is broken, as you can see. Into these eyes. Let's prep them with our, again, black opal again. This is in the color Toast.
You feel your thoughts, I know what you want. I can read your mind even from behind. If you question your phone, let me take you home. I wanna take you home. Sorry that I'm here.
Let's try something different. I've never even used this palette before. JACLYN Hill Armed and Dangerous. Finished look. It's just okay to me. I'm not loving this. Put on some lashes. These are some lashes that I got from Amazon. The lip combination is this Kat Von D matte lip gloss. Not a fan. And this is a lip liner. I bought this set of lip liners from Amazon. I think it was like, I got like 10 of them and it was like $5 or something. I also put this Juvia's Place Scorpio lip liner. That is that color, like a dark burgundy. You can see the color right here. And then after that, because the list was just too dry, I used this Milani Ludicrous lip gloss. It had potential. It really did. It's just something about it. It looks just so basic to me. So thank you all so much for showing up. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you all on the next video. Bye.
It's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you now.